Life, life believe is not a dream so dark as sages say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours fleet by. Gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. What thou that at times steps in and calls our best away? What thou sorrow seems to win, or hope a heavy sway? Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered thou she fell. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. By Charlotte Bronte. ठीक है किया? So this is a very beautiful poem. It is not beautiful because it is for your syllabus. It gives you lessons of life. इससे आपको जिंदगी के बारे में सीखने मिलता है. That's why this poem is very beautiful. ठीक है क्या? I want everyone to focus over here, ठीक है क्या? And let us understand the meaning of this poem. Initially, what is given? क्या दिया आपको? Life believe is not a dream. Life believe is not a dream. O dark as the sages say, after little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. What do you mean by this? Life believe is not a dream so dark as the sages say. After little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Okay? Many people say that life is a struggle. Life is very dark. Life is a bad dream. Life is a nightmare. Okay? So wise people, sages, saints, they sometimes say that we have to struggle a lot in life. Therefore, life is very dark. Why life is like a bad dream, life is like a nightmare. Believe life is not like that. I say nahi hoti hai life. What happens is that suppose you are planning to go out somewhere, okay, and suddenly in the morning there is little rain, so you will bad कि अरे entire day is going to get wasted. But this little rain is also a sign that the day is going to be very beautiful. The sun is going to come out again. It is going to be a sunny and cool day. It is not going to be a very hot day. Okay? So if there is a little morning rain, it is a sign that the day is going to be very pleasant. Similarly, in life, whenever there are little bit of problems in the beginning, it means that good times are going to come. Okay? So this is what the first stanzas mean. Life believe is not a dream, so dark as the sages say. After little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. What does this mean? एक बार वापस बता रहा हूँ. The poet says that life is not a dark dream or a nightmare or a dark struggle, as the sages, as the wise men say. Sometimes when it starts raining, we feel that the entire day is going to get wasted. But sometimes this little rain is an indication that the day is going to be very beautiful, very pleasant. Similarly, some problems or difficulties in life, instead of thinking negative of it, we should think that they are the signs that after this, good things are going to come. So this is what it means. Let's go to the next stanza. Okay. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient of all. If showers will make the blossoms bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Okay. So what does it say? Okay. क्या कहता है? Sometimes there are clouds of gloom. What do you mean by gloom? Gloom means sadness. Gloom means hard times. ठीक है okay, yeah. So sometimes there may be clouds of gloom. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना दुख के बादल छा गए, अंधेरे बादल छा गए, ठीक है क्या? तो ऐसे क्लाउड्स आ सकते हैं, लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती है, बट दीज आर ट्रांजिएंट ऑफ ऑल. ट्रांजिएंट का मतलब होता है टेम्पररी. Transient means temporary, not permanent. So even though the clouds of gloom, clouds of struggle, clouds of hard work, clouds of sad times comes to you, okay, these are transient. These are just temporary clouds. Okay? If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? So whenever there are going to be rains, then the plants are going to blossom, the flowers are going to come, the roses are going to blossom. Okay? So whenever there is a shower, there is a positive side. If the roses are going to bloom. Similarly, in our life also, okay, whenever there is a problem, okay, whenever there are struggles, okay, it will bring out the best in us. वो हमको tough बनाता है, हमारे अंदर का best quality बाहर लाता है. So in short, the blossomus, वो हमको हमारे पूरे potential तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करता है. So why should we worry about all these problems? समझे ये चार line? Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient of all. If the showers will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? व्हाट डज इट मीन? क्या मतलब होता है इसका? कभी कभी दुख के बादल आ सकते हैं, सैडनेस के बादल आ सकते हैं, बट दीज आर ट्रांजिएंट, ये सारे के सारे टेम्पररी है। अगर शॉवर आएगा तो रोजेस ब्लूम हो गए, फ्लावर्स ब्लॉसम हो गए, ठीक है क्या? सो व्हाई लैमेंटेड्स फॉल, लैमेंट का मतलब होता है कंप्लेन, रिग्रेट। सो व्हाई शुड वी रिग्रेट? बारिश आने से रिग्रेट क्यों करना चाहिए? सिमिलरली इन लाइफ ऑल्सो व्हेन द प्रॉब्लम्स कम, समथिंग गुड इज गोइंग टू हैपन, हमारी बेस्ट क्वालिटीज डेवलप होने वाली है। सो व्हाई शुड वी रिग्रेट अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स? व्हाई शुड वी कंप्लेन अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स? दैट इज व्हाट इट मीन्स, ठीक है क्या? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours fleet by. Gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours fleet by. Gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. तो sunny hours means good times of life, happy times of life, जो बहुत अच्छा समय रहता है लाइफ का, उसको कहते हैं sunny hours, ठीक है? sunny hours fly by rapidly, अच्छा टाइम जो रहता है ना इंसान का, आप कहीं पार्टी में जाओ, 4 घंटा भी जाएगा तो आपको लगेगा यार अभी तो आए थे, पार्टी इतने जल्दी खत्म हो गई। लेकिन वही आपको पढ़ाई के लिए बिठा देंगे या कुछ आपको जो नहीं अच्छा लगता है वो करने को बिठाएंगे, आधा घंटा भी बैठोगे तो आपको लगेगा यार कब से पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है क्या? सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज। लाइफ का जो अच्छा टाइम रहता है वो रैपिडली एकदम स्पीड में जाता है, क्योंकि वी आर हैप्पी एट दैट टाइम। गेफुली चीयरली एंजॉय देम एज दे फ्लाई। तो ये जो टाइम है जाने ही वाला, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप फॉर एनीवन, वेदर इट इज अ गुड टाइम, वेदर इट इज अ बैड टाइम, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप फॉर यू। So how should we spend it? We should spend it cheerfully. हमेशा खुशी से गुजारना चाहिए। And then we should be grateful. किससे grateful होना चाहिए? We should thank the Lord. We should thank the Almighty. ए भगवान, I am grateful कि आपने मेरे को आज का दिन जीने के लिए दिया। मैं इसको अच्छे से जीऊंगा, ठीक है क्या? So we should be grateful to the Almighty. Rapidly, merrily, life sunny hours fleet by. Gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. क्या होता है इसका मीनिंग? एक बार वापस पढ़ा रहा हूँ। लाइफ के जो सनी आवर्स होते हैं, गुड टाइम्स रहते हैं, हैप्पी टाइम्स रहते हैं, ठीक है क्या? सो दे आर गोइंग टू फ्लाई बाय, दे आर गोइंग टू गो अवे, ठीक है क्या? वेरी फास्ट, वेरी रैपिडली, merrily, happily, ठीक है क्या? So you should enjoy them because as such they are going to fly away. They are not going to wait for you. Gratefully, cheerily, you should enjoy them, ठीक है क्या? You should be happy about them and you should be grateful to your Almighty, ठीक है okay? What thou that time steps in and calls our best away. What thou sorrow seems to win or hope a heavy sway. बहुत important lines है, बराबर से समझने की कोशिश करो. This may be the most difficult lines of this poem. What thou death at time steps in and calls our best away. What thou sorrow seems to win or hope a heavy sway. कभी कभी लाइफ में we will face extreme sadness. हमको बहुत ही ज्यादा दुख होगा. When death is going to come. जब कोई हमारा लव्ड वन है, कोई हमारा डियर वन है, सम फ्रेंड, सम रिलेटिव, he passes away, he goes into the clutches of death, then we will be extremely sad, ठीक है कि हमको बहुत ज्यादा दुख होगा, ठीक है क्या? एंड एट दैट टाइम वी फील दैट देयर इज नो होप, कोई उम्मीद नहीं है, मेरे घर में जो मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करता था, दैट पर्सन हैज गॉन अवे, सो आई एम वेरी सैड, ठीक है किया? अभी कोई उम्मीद नहीं रही है। सो ये जो सॉरो है, ये जो सैडनेस है, ऐसा लगता है लाइफ में ये जीत रहा है, इसके सिवा अभी कुछ नहीं है। हमारा जो उम्मीद था अच्छा लाइफ जीने का, उसको स्वे कर दिया, उसको कंट्रोल में ले लिया सॉरो ने। अभी उम्मीद नहीं दिख रही है, हमारे होप को उसने ब्लो दे दिया, उसको झटका दे दिया, ठीक है किया? So sometimes these things also happen, but then what happens after that is very important. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered thou she fell, still buoyant on her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. लेकिन again ऐसा जैसा टाइम जाएगा, again after some time our hope, हमारी जो उम्मीद है लाइफ जीने की, अच्छी लाइफ जीने की, this hope will again spring up, it will again rise. It is like elastic, एक रबर के जैसा, आप जितना होप को दबाओगे वो वापस ऊपर उठेगा. You will press it down and it will come out again, ठीक है क्या? This hope is unconquered. ये जो हमारा पॉजिटिव फीलिंग है, ये जो हमारा होप है कि हमको अच्छी लाइफ जीने की है, इसको कोई जीत नहीं सकता है. It may fall down 1,000 times, but it will rise again. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Buoyant is a word that comes from buoyancy. Buoyancy का मतलब होता है upward force. ठीक है किया? तो जो होप का विंग्स है, दे आर गोल्डन एंड दे आर बॉयंट, दे आर ऑलवेज टेकिंग अस इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाते हैं. दिस बायंसी, दिस होप इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस होप वॉट एवर कम्स इन अवर लाइफ वी कैन बेर इट. हम लोग उसको टॉलरेट कर सकते हैं. लाइफ में कुछ भी आ जाए, एक होप रहती है कि भाई आज दुख का समय, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, कल अच्छा समय आएगा, तो आज का दुख का समय भी हम लोग अच्छे से जी सकते हैं. दैट इज वॉट इट मीन्स, ठीक है ओके? Manfully, fearlessly the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. manfully, fearlessly the day of trial bear. For gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. So whenever there is a day of trial, wherever there is a day of tribulation, whenever there is a day of testing, आपको टेस्ट हो रहा है जिंदगी में, आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है, ठीक है क्या, रोते नहीं बैठना है, मैनफुली, एकदम मैन के जैसा, फियरलेसली, बिना डरे उसका सामना करना है. You have to face it. Okay, if you don't face your problems, you are not going to solve it. If you face your problem, then only you are going to solve it. Okay, can courage quell despair? If you are courageous, then the despair, despair मतलब दुख, loss of hope, वो दब जाएगा अगर आपके पास courage है, and you will come out victorious, you will win, you will be glorified, आपको glory मिलेगी. This is what this poem say. ठीक है क्या? Once again, I will put the poem in front of you. One by one, go through the stanzas. Whatever you want, I will explain to you once again. ठीक है क्या? सब लोग बराबर से फोकस करना. उसके बाद में मैं आपको पूछूंगा इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है. Life, believe, is not a dream so dark as the sages say. Often a little morning rain foretells a present day. What does this mean? Sometimes sages may say that life is like a dark dream. Believe me, it is not a dark dream. Okay, it is a very beautiful dream. Often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Oft is a short form for often. Often. Okay, it is a short form of often. Okay. So whenever there is a little rain in the morning, not heavy rains, not heavy showers, we are talking about little rain. थोड़ी सी बारिश आ जाएगी, so that is a sign that the day is going to be very beautiful. It is going to be a very pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? So sometimes there are clouds of gloom, darkness. Okay, there are clouds of sadness. Gloom means sadness. But these are transient. Transient matlab these are temporary. This is not going to be forever in our life. These clouds will also go away. These bad times will also go away. So if the showers will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? So even if the showers are coming, they are going to make your crops bloom. They are going to make your roses bloom. Okay? So when they are going to do something good for you, then why should you complain about it? Similarly, in the life, if the problems comes, they are going to create very good qualities in you. And if this is going to happen, then why should you worry about it? उसके बारे में क्यों सोचना है? उसके बारे में क्यों regret करना है? Please listen. I didn't see my mobile. Na? Some messages are coming. Rapidly, merrily, life sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. ठीक है क्या? So life sunny hours, good times of life, they will fly away very fast, rapidly, very fast, merrily, happily. ठीक है क्या? So till they are there with you, this good hours, this sunshine of life, this youth of your life, enjoy them because they are going to go away, they are going to fly. Okay? And while you enjoy them, be cheerful. Spread your happiness to others also. And be grateful to God, He has given you this good time. Okay? What thou that time steps in and calls our best away, what thou sorrow seems to win or hope a heavy sway. Okay? What thou that time steps in and calls our best away, what thou sorrow seems to win or hope a heavy sway. So sometimes death may come in. It may take the best of our life. We will feel extremely sorrowful. Okay? All our hope will be shattered. There will be a blow to our hope. The sorrow will control our hope. Okay? So what? What thou matlab so what? ऐसा हुआ तो भी क्या? ठीक है क्या? Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell, still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. ऐसा होने के बावजूद भी the hope will spring up again, the hope will rise up again. ठीक है क्या? Because it is elastic like a rubber. ठीक है क्या? अब जितना उसको दबाओगे वापस ऊपर आएगा. Unconquered though she fell, our hope had fallen down again, but it is unconquered, it will rise again. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Her golden wings, the wings of the hope are golden. They are buoyant, they are always rising upwards, and they are very strong. We can bear everything, we can tolerate everything, we can tolerate each and every problem, we can face every problem of our life because of this hope. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously, can courage quell despair. Okay? So whenever there is a day of trials, tribulations, tests, problems, face it. Face it like a man. Face it without fear. Okay? Because when you are having courage, only that time द डिस्पेयर कैन बी क्वेल्ड, क्वेल्ड मतलब दबाना, ठीक है, किया उसको हरा देना, डिस्पेयर मतलब लॉस ऑफ होप, लॉस ऑफ होप, होपलेसनेस। ना उम्मीदी, ना उम्मीदी को कौन हरा सकता है? करेज ही हरा सकता है। एंड देन यू विल कम आउट विक्टोरियसली, देन यू विल कम आउट ग्लोरियसली। नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू आस्क द क्वेरीज प्लीज। आराम से सोचो एंड देन यू आस्क मी क्वेरीज। Did you call everyone? Go through it, go through it. And I'll go to the next slide. Okay, you have to ask difficulty or you have to explain. I'll take everything together. Let's complete the poem, then I'll take everything together, Arjun. Okay, I'll take all the queries together. Should I go to the next slide? What happened here? Listen. Okay. So let's go to first stanzas. Anybody is having problem in this first four stanzas? One child asked, what do you mean by foretell? Tell matlab telling and fore matlab beforehand. ठीक है, सो व्हेन एनीथिंग इज टोल्ड बिफोर हैंड, हम लोग फ्यूचर का जो प्रेडिक्शन करते हैं, इंडिकेशन होता है, उसको बोलते हैं फोर टेल। फोर मींस बिफोर एंड टेल मींस टेलिंग। सो व्हेन एनीथिंग इज टोल्ड बिफोर हैंड दैट मींस फोर टेल्स, उसका मतलब होता है फोर टेल्स। चलो नेक्स्ट वन, कम ऑन। और इसमें कुछ मीनिंग का चाहिए तो बोलो मेरे को, अदरवाइज यू विल हैव टू एक्सप्लेन। ओके, इस लाइन में किसी को कोई चाहिए, प्लीज पुट इन द चैट बॉक्स और रेज योर हैंड, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू। इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पोएम, आई लाइक इट। चलो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं। Okay, just a minute. Harsh has raised the hand. He may be having some difficulty. Yes, Harsh, tell me. Wait, I am not. Yes, Harsh, बोलो, बोलो। आपके आप बोल क्या? Buoyant, इसका मीनिंग? Buoyant का मतलब rising upwards. Buoyant का मतलब होता है upward force. It comes from the buoyant comes from the word buoyancy. Buoyancy मतलब upward force. So here buoyant means which goes in the upward direction. जो ऊपर के direction में जाता है उसको buoyant कहते हैं। Anybody else has raised the hand? Just a minute, let me see. Okay, somebody has put something in chat box. What is meant by the
Sir,
word? Yes, yes. Okay.
sir, what is the meaning of this? Sir? Can courage will whisper?
Who is this? कौन बात कर रहा है? Just tell me your
Sir,
name.
I am
हर्ष.
Harsh.
हाँ बोल क्या बेटा?
Sir, can courage will whisper?
डिस्पेयर डिस्पेयर का मतलब क्या होता है? डिस्पेयर का मतलब होता है होपलेसनेस, ना उम्मीदी. करेज का मतलब
No,
क्या
sir.
होता है? हाँ बता रहा हूँ पूरा सेंटेंस का मीनिंग बता रहा हूँ, जस्ट अ मिनट. करेज का मतलब क्या होता है? बहादुरी. क्वेल मतलब उसको हराएगा, ठीक है क्या? क्वेल मतलब एंड, सप्रेस, ठीक है क्या? सो वेन एवर आपके पास ना उम्मीदी है, उसको कौन खत्म करेगा? आपका जो करेज है, दैट विल, ठीक है क्या? इट विल क्वेल, इट विल एंड योर होपलेसनेस. योर करेज विल एंड योर होपलेसनेस. दैट इज व्हाट इट मीन्स.
Okay, sir.
Okay, चलो, anything else please ask. I'm very happy to take your difficulties. Never keep poem for beheading later on. You do it at that time only. It gets very easy. ठीक है? Okay. Anybody else having any difficulty? हर्ष और कुछ बच्चा? Pearl, Shubham, Shivani, कुछ difficulty है? Arjun has raised a hand. Yes, Arjun, tell me बच्चा.
सर मैंने पहले की स्टैंजा में वो रिवीजन किया, उसमें व्हाट्स द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ओ ई आर, ओ एपोस्ट्रोफी ई आर.
Where he? This one?
यस,
Yeah.
दिस वन.
What
नो,
does sorrow seems to win or hope a heavy sway? ठीक है क्या? It gives, or else it gives a hope, our hope a heavy sway. It gives a blow to our hope. ठीक है, okay? It is a old English uses.